Wow, never cut off the recorder. Hey, so now I got this all coated. Like I said, I didn't put a thick coat on. It sounds like you could put this on thicker and sand it if you want. And something else about the Port 15, guys. I'm not an expert at Port 15, but I've been using this stuff for a very long time, guys, like I said. So, like when I first started using Port 15, that was back when I had my 72 Deuce. That's been years ago. Mr. Pryor, that was the name. That was the name of my 72 was Mr. Pryor. So, because you know that thing was crazy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know that album that he made. But anyway, when I first started using the Port 15. The instructions was you could use it and recoat up to a year. And they changed that now. It don't sound like they say that as much these days, but guys, if this Port 15 was old, I would have to probably scuff it some, 180, 220 or something, probably 220, scuff it, then put this etching primer on there and paint it, guys. But this Port 15 only been here a week, so it's still curing real good. So I can go directly over the top of this with the etching primer, then paint, guys. So I just want to bring you around, just show you this baby. You know, I guess you can start painting it within a half hour. But she's looking good, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna paint the whole bottom. I'm not worried about painting the whole top, just up in the front where the engine bay is. So I'm gonna come in here now and trying to wait. Nah, see, it didn't even get on there. So I gotta come in and spray just a little bit more in that area and get us time, a little bit of time to dry, and then I come in and get this baby painted up. I'll come in and show you how it look once I'm done. All right, all things good, guys. Like, share, subscribe. All right. All right, now this is about 2 coats. That's all I'm probably gonna end up putting on here. I still got a little bit of paint left, so I'll take the flashlight, look, make sure I don't have no light spots nowhere. But wow, yeah, she come out pretty good, guys. Yeah, 70 Wildcat frame, guys. It's painted up. Then I'll flip it over in a day or two. But especially I'm gonna just kind of paint from like here where the body sits up to where all the engine and stuff is on the top side, all through here on the frame. I'm not really gonna worry about none of this. I'm not gonna worry about the top of the frame in the back because you won't really see that. But guys, she really come out good. Like I say, I ain't got much more. I got a little bit of spray paint right here. I had stuff stacked over here, so I couldn't get over here good, but right in there, you won't be able, or right there, see, I missed right in there, so I took the flashlight, walked around, so I got a little touch up like right in there. Still see the Port 15 up under there, so I'll get in there. Got a few runs in there, guys, just tight, trying to get in there, but that's all right. So yeah, see some runs here, and that's because it was just tight. I should have moved all this stuff out my way and moved the frame over, had the frame over a little bit more. But when I paint the top side, I can sand this a little bit, take that run out of there. I'll look at everything, but yeah, she turned out really, really good, guys. Like over here, no runs, everything looked good. Had plenty enough room to walk around, so she looking good, guys. She looking good. Look at that. If you like these videos, guys, like, share, subscribe, comment. What do you think? Doing too much? Yeah, I'm always doing too much. But hey, that's a good thing about the Port 15, guys. You can really do quite a bit. I know people use other stuff, but I just love the Port 15 products. Been using them for years. And they don't pay me nothing for letting you know. I'm just trying to let you know how you can do this, how this stuff works. Why not go all out now? You know, you could have painted this with black, but this direct acrylic paint that I'm using, guys, it's got a hardener. I'm telling you, when I go to tighten bolts down, like painted rims, and a lot of times you go to tighten the lug nut down and it'll crack around where the rim, you know, where the lug nut mounts the rim. This direct acrylic, if I go to tighten down a bolt somewhere, the paint is not going to come off, guys. Really good stuff, man. But yeah, she turned out really good, guys. So, all right, guys, start constantly, you know, pay attention. I'm gonna show this whole build as I'm building it. I'm trying to get it done. Looking good though. All right. All right. So hey, today, look, man, you come knocking on the door like you the police. Nobody don't lock like that in the hood. What you doing? Huh? All right, so I got Scottie Dillon here. They come to help me flip the frame here. How y'all doing?
Good. Living the dream.
Man, that's what you always say, and I tell you what, it's better than a nightmare.
All right.
Better than a nightmare. All right, we're going to flip this frame real quick. I appreciate them coming down. All right, hold on. Y'all get in the front, I'll do the back. Y'all do the front, I'll do the back. The front is heavier.
All right, that's why I went to the back.
Man, I got it. No, this is... You went... I caught that late. Why he leave you up on the heavy side? You hear what he said? That's why he went. I didn't catch that at first. No, but I'm gonna lay it here, like sideways. Okay. Then we'll flip it, and then I just want to sit it on this dolly. All right, so you guys ready? Let's try to set it on there. Tilt it up. Now hold it just a minute. Let's move these off the way, Scottie, and pop them in the back.
Look at all these runs. Huh.
Oh man, if you see some runs, I'm quitting. I'm gonna stop for the rest of my life.
So don't look up here.
I don't know if it needs to be, move it just a little bit that way, Dillon. Yeah, so we have room to flip out. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ah. You got it?
You know, you gotta go back, pick it up.
Back side? All right. Look at that, 5 minutes. There we go. They come a rocking, they come a knocking.
Yeah, look at all these runs.
Man, I appreciate it. Oh, that's the back. I gotta paint that still. Half of the frame at a time. See, I'm only gonna paint from here back where the body sit. Here up would be red. The rest of this I'm gonna leave Port 15.
Why did you just paint it black or something?
Gotta be different, Scottie.
No, I'm saying the whole for the back. Why are you gonna leave it gray?
You won't see it.
So?
Man, do you know how much money that paint costs? Man, that's about
You gotta know.
a half a pint to paint that back there. If I had your money,
$50.
huh?
$50 it probably cost.
Maybe 25. But $25 is $25. Look at me like, see, if I'm on the motorcycle, what kind of Harley you got?
Street glide.
Street guy, see, and what kind of, what is that, Denali, a 2024 Denali you riding in?
24. $25.
See, that's what I'm saying. If I had y'all money, y'all ever heard that game, Big Bank Take Little Bank?
No.
Huh? See, I couldn't play with y'all.
Little bank takes big bank.
No, that'd be me going against y'all. Little Bank Take.
We're trying to compete with you.
I appreciate it. I certainly appreciate it. All right.
So we got a replay.
So Scottie come down here. See, that's why he's a businessman and I'm not. See, that's why he make all the money. Now, what you just explained to me, Scottie?
Why are you gonna spend $10 in tape to tape it off and paint it the back black? Just paint it all red. So it's costing you $10 or $15.
You know why? Because that makes too much sense.
I guess so.
That makes too much sense, Scottie. You can't do
you would
things
spend all tonight
way.
just getting it ready to paint it black and keep the front red. When to now you could just come and paint it all red. So now you're a whole day ahead for the same price, basically.
See, that's why they say 2 or 3 heads is better than one. You heard that old saying? Since you say you never heard Big Bank Take Little Bank. You go around some guys and you make sure you got $2,000-$3,000 in your pocket, and they sitting around, they pull their money out, then they got 5 and you only got 2. Then you got to give up your $2,000. That's how it go. Well, Scottie, that might make some sense, but then again, see, I would have to scuff this. To paint it. Paint over that again.
You still gotta paint all this.
Yeah, I'm painting in there. That ain't no problem. That's on the bottom.
So now you all the way back here with me.
I think I'm gonna take your advice, though, Scottie. I think I'm gonna take your advice.
What is that, single stage?
Yeah, it's just a single stage. Yep. It's doable too. Real doable. So good paint. Expensive, but good paint. Man, so you guys are lifesavers.
So we got a replay.
So Scottie come down here. See, that's why he's a businessman and I'm not. See, that's why he make all the money. Now, what you just explained to me, Scottie?
Why are you gonna spend $10 in tape to tape it off and paint it the back black? Just paint it all red. So it's costing you $10 or $15.
You know why? Because that makes too much sense.
I guess so.
That makes too much sense, Scottie. You can't do
you would
things
spend all tonight
way.
just getting it ready to paint it black and keep the front red. When to now you could just come and paint it all red. So now you're a whole day ahead for the same price, basically.
See, that's why they say 2 or 3 heads is better than one. You heard that old saying? Since you say you never heard Big Bank Take Little Bank. You go around some guys and you make sure you got $2,000-$3,000 in your pocket, and they sitting around, they pull their money out, then they got 5 and you only got 2. Then you got to give up your $2,000. That's how it go. Well, Scottie, that might make some sense, but then again, see, I would have to scuff this. To paint it. Paint over that again.
You still gotta paint all this.
Yeah, I'm painting in there. That ain't no problem. That's on the bottom.
So now you all the way back here with me.
I think I'm gonna take your advice, though, Scottie. I think I'm gonna take your advice.
What is that, single stage?
Yeah, it's just a single stage. Yep. It's doable too. Real doable. So good paint. Expensive, but good paint. Man, so you guys are lifesavers. So how much owe you? I gotta buy you something. Like you like, what is that called? Dr. Pepper.
I don't drink soda.
Huh?
He quit
You-
drinking soda.
I ain't drank soda in like 8 months.
Why?
Just quit.
No good for you.
It ain't. I quit drinking too. I drink every once in a while.
Yeah, I do.
Like if somebody take me out to dinner, I drink, you know, I drink soda then with a good meal. Huh?
Not a drop. 8 months.
How you quit drinking soda?
It's called self-control.
Something else some other people don't have.
No, everyone has it. They choose not.
You don't use it?
I don't drink soda either.
Yeah, but you drink plenty of other stuff.
I
Huh?
don't go out no either.
What?
For real.
What y'all on? Y'all coming to church with me soon or what?
You gotta test yourself, you know, to know you still have that willpower.
Well, that's test yourself with sex. That's show how much control you really have. That's real willpower right there now, I'm telling you. What, Dylan, huh? You ain't got nothing. I've never seen him not say nothing. Look at him. Oh, boy. I tell you. Well, that's all right.
Yeah.
That's all right. Let me quit filming. Nah, but y'all buy sodas or something.
Oh, there's so much money.